हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अनम्यूट माइक, जहां हम सुनाते हैं क्रिएटर्स की असली कहानियां विदाउट एनी फिल्टर। मैं हूं साक्षी और आज हमारे साथ स्टूडियो में है अली। ही इज अ मुंबई बेस्ड एक्टर एंड अ मीडिया एंटरप्रेन्योर। वेलकम टू द शो अली।
Thank you so much for having me. I'm really excited for this.
सो अली, तो अली सबसे पहले ये बताइए कि फिल्म मेकिंग आपके लाइफ में कब आई? लाइक वाज इट अ चाइल्डहुड थिंग और लेट ऑन?
जी, तो फिल्म मेकिंग मेरी लाइफ में चाइल्डहुड से ही थी. आई वाज मेकिंग रियली वियर्ड यूट्यूब वीडियोस सिंस आई वाज 13 years old, and a lot of things that I did back then I'm not proud of. लेकिन करना पड़ा because step by step we all learn. तो क्या हो रहा था कि मैं बहुत सारे वीडियोस रिकॉर्ड कर रहा था जिसके अंदर मैं ही एक्टिंग कर रहा था, मैं ही प्रोड्यूस कर रहा था एंड मैं ही एडिट कर रहा था. आई लर्न VFX लाइक दैट, आई लर्न एडिटिंग लाइक दैट, एवरीथिंग सेल्फ taught. एंड देन आई बिगैन टू रियलाइज दैट मैं ये सब सिर्फ एक्टिंग करने के लिए कर रहा हूँ. एंड दैट रियलाइजेशन एंडेड अप हैपनिंग व्हेन आई turned 18 years old. Yeah, so then that's how it started. So I had a creative mindset, and of course I had a business mindset. So while I explored and figured out, okay, this is what I want to do creatively, which is acting, my business sense was still there because I've been starting businesses since I was, again, 13 years old, right? The first business, do you know that there was a show called Tricky TV that used to come? Nickelodeon पे आता था पहले.
Okay.
Okay. And उस पे दिखाते थे कि कैसे मैजिक ट्रिक्स करते हैं.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Right? So I realized that सामान तो मैजिक ट्रिक से हो रहा है, राइट, बट जो उसकी सामग्री है, दैट इफ समबडी वांट्स टू फिगर आउट, कभी कुछ फ्रिज पे मिलता था, कभी कहीं बाहर से, थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है, राइट. तो आई एंडेड अप फिगरिंग आउट क्या क्या सामग्री चाहिए उस मैजिक ट्रिक को करने के लिए. खाली अंडा चाहिए, ये वो चाहिए. एंड देन every day before Jana Gana Mana in my school, I used to sell those.
So that was full jugaad.
Yeah, so I used to just sell those ingredients to people. That आप ये ऐसे करोगे तो magic trick बन जाएगी, right? Then if you know slam attacks, have you heard about it? You know those cricket attacks, slam attacks cards, right? That was my second business, where I used to sell people slam attacks cards. Okay. Then there was, of course, time went on, and I started a gaming console business, which was pan India. So I used to deliver at least 60-40 orders per day, PS4 and PS5 games, pan India. That was another one.
So where did you get the capital for all of this?
Nothing. Everything that I started from nothing, basically.
Okay.
And a lot of it is just making people believe in you. But for example, e-commerce is really simple. Today you can actually end up starting it for nothing, right?
True that.
Then I went on to start another podcast. Okay, and it was not a podcast. Yeah, not this kind of podcast, but like an audiobook kind of podcast where it was called In the Land of Weird Dreams. So the idea was to give people immersive audio. Okay, so audio that you can hear from all around. So it became one of the world's top 2% podcasts at the time. And then I closed that also. So like a lot of random things.
At such a very young age.
Yeah, so there's a lot of randomness. And then I started a writing company and then Prashant. So,
Wow.
yeah.
I think there were just too many things that were leading up to Prachand.
Yeah, a lot of things that I've learned through and through.
So Prachand शुरू करने का idea आपको कैसे आया? And what were the issues that you faced? Like, was it more creative or the financial money thing? Because what I know is when money is involved, creativity goes for the toss.
Right. I think that's the usual thinking.
Yeah.
So Prachand is special because once I was done with my writing business, which was Triumph Writings, we ended up writing even for Sushmita Sen. Like I remember Sushmita Sen sat with us and wrote a concept, which we are still really excited to do someday. We created so many web series also. Aukaat Se Zyada is a show that's, there was trending at one point. We wrote that show entirely, right?
Wow.
So, but we realized one thing, writing is a very noble profession, but it might not always pay so well. Okay, that is when I realized that I need to focus on money. And anybody who has ever done anything in life, they all focus a little bit on money. Okay, not a little bit, maybe 90-95%. Okay, because कभी कभी क्या होता है, पैसा ही सही राह आपको दिखाता है. अगर आपने पैसे पे जितना आपका फोकस होगा, पैसे पे फोकस करना कोई गलत चीज नहीं है, राइट. अगर आपने जितना पैसे पे फोकस किया वो आपको सही जगह पर ले जाता है. बिकॉज अगर आपके पास पैसा आ रहा है, देन ऑफ कोर्स क्रिएटिविटी कम्स फ्रॉम देयर, राइट. I will tell you, in Triumph Writing, it was 4-5 of us, and of course, जितने भी मेरे लोग हैं, they worked with me for free for 2 years, constantly. Just because, not because, of course,
2 years is a very long time.
It's a very long time for absolutely nothing. but they did it because they believed in the vision that was set out. Okay. So I still have a video of that wherein we received a check from, a company, 37,000 rupees check. Okay. Split between the six of us. And it got delayed 8 months. So, I mean, the industry is quite crazy in that way. So then I realized that I need to do something that's a bit more of my appetite. Like I can do a lot more, which is when I started Prachand. Now, Prachand Entertainment is an integrated ecosystem, was the idea. Because I realized that production क्या है बहुत multifaceted है. आपका post production अलग होता है, writing अलग होती है. But all of this, इसमें हर एक में क्रिएटिविटी बहुत जरूरी है. कभी कभी क्या होता है कुछ फिल्म्स का कलर कहीं हो रहा है, वीएफएक्स कहीं हो रहा है. जब वो वीएफएक्स और कलर साथ में करना आएंगे तो दिक्कत हो जाएगी, राइट? तो आई वांटेड टू बिल्ड समथिंग जहां पर मैं क्रिएटिवली इन चीजों को भी कंट्रोल कर सकूं फॉर माई सेल्फ एंड फॉर अदर पीपल.
So it should have the same vision.
Yeah, exactly the same vision. So that's when I started Prachand. Now Prachand has a lot of different kinds of vertical. Prachand Entertainment has Prachand Scripts, which is a scripting vertical. Then you have Prachand Echo, which is a sound vertical. You have Prachand Mirage, which is a VFX vertical. Prachand Montage, which is an editing vertical. And then you have, your larger Prachand Entertainment, which is of course doing all the production work. And you have Icons, which is our AI division. So it's spread out like this. Have you seen those Amazon logos जहाँ पर Amazon बीच में होता है and then it's competing with like a lot of people? Jio बीच में होता है and then it's competing. That's what I want to be in media. So Prachand Entertainment is competing with everybody.
Right.
So that is where I want to take this particular company.
But Prachand is such a big umbrella. What made you think, okay, I want all of this here right now? And what actually did you face? Tell me, like, what was your major issue in this?
I think once I realized that writing is gone, also ChatGPT entered that time. Okay, and I was like, कि writing का वैसा कोई बहुत ज़्यादा crazy future है नहीं. This is when I decided that execution-based businesses, wherein knowledge is the first priority, means a lot. अच्छा, production house के अंदर आपका ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा चाहिए. Every single business is not that you require a lot of money. Okay, businesses don't need money to start. Businesses need vision, right? If you have clarity and if you have vision, a lot of times you have to see things कि कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है तभी आपको देखना पड़ता है, right?
वो exit होनी चाहिए कि करना है तो
करना है, right? And in the sense like not always will you have the willpower to convince everybody else who's with you, but they are counting on you. So how will you tell them that there is I don't know where it's going, but it's going somewhere.
Right.
And if we just stay in this for long enough, we can get there. Like if you're in an ocean, there's nothing you can see, but you're relying on the compass that's there.
Right.
Because if you move west enough, you will reach an island. Correct?
Just trust the process.
Just trust the process, right? So a lot of times had to do that. So that is how everything started to come together. And I don't think money is like a very big part of, as you said, if a creativity goes for a toss. We created India's first microdrama. I mean, it was made on nothing nearly. Okay, it was some of my last savings amount, spent it there, and it was made on nothing. We actually created microdrama accidentally. We did not know how to what microdrama is. या China में इतनी बड़ी industry है कुछ नहीं पता.
So, accidental discovery.
Yeah, accidental discovery. बस ये था कि अगर हमें कुछ रिलीज करना है तो हम Amazon या Netflix पे तो रिलीज कर सकते हैं, राइट? बट अगर हम कुछ ऐसा बनाते हैं जो 50 एपिसोड का हो और वो Instagram पे ही रोज चला जाए और वो वर्टिकल बस करे तो शायद वो कहीं Instagram पे एटलीस्ट हम रिलीज कर पाए. That is all we did. And then we ended up, having 2 million views and 70,000 followers. It was just a hunch.
So do you think this microdrama is something that people watch more now? Because they have a shorter attention span and it's more convenient and you don't need any kind of subscription. Like as you said, it's on Instagram, etc. And people are actually eager to see, okay, what's the next thing? So what do you think about that?
I think microdramas have a future. I think it will not replace long form, for sure. Like जो मुझे कहानियाँ आराम से देखनी हो मैं आराम से देखूंगा. But बीच में ऑटो में I can always watch a microdrama because it's basically an alternative for Instagram Reels.
Yeah.
Instagram Reels is under a lot of burden right now because while all of us consume Reels mostly 1 hour 2 hours of our time, सच बात यह है कि Reels के अंदर कोई retention नहीं है.
Right.
I'm literally flirting with thousands of Reels. I'm not learning with any Reel also, but I'm just constantly scrolling. So there's no retention. What am I learning out of this? the
So there's
process.
no curiosity that, okay, what do I know from this or what's next?
Exactly. You're just lost and falling through scrolling. Correct. So that is what Instagram has also realized. They're probably working on a web series kind of interface wherein you'll be able to see episodes just like a microdrama. But these short story apps allow you to at least do a little bit better when it comes to entertainment. Okay.
Right.
And I don't look down upon the format at all. I love the format. I think it is going to explode even more, and a lot of more people will come in, and a lot of more watchers will come in.
Mm.
Both long form and short form will exist together.
As you said that now you have ChatGPT, etc. So
Yeah.
writing has gone for the toss.
Yeah.
So how do you think the AI or any kind of that could be writing scripts to editing videos, how it has impacted and affected Prashant or any other, you can say, media business?
It's completely transformed at 360 degree, right?
Yeah.
So what took us such a long time has shortened to even 5% time of that, right? अगर आपका एक अच्छा सा prompt आप डालो ChatGPT तो आपको कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा मिल जाएगा, right? आप हमेशा करने के बाद तो यही बोलोगे कि आइडिया तो मेरा था, ये तो कुछ नहीं देता है, ठीक है? But आपका brainstorming में help होती है, okay? That room full of people that you need to create something has become ChatGPT now.
Right.
I think that's a massive advantage. Just bouncing board, which is really important. That's how writing has transformed. Like you could come up with the structures. Okay, so people who don't know how to write screenplay structures, INT, day, night, all this manual work replaced 100%. You could just tell ChatGPT structure this screenplay. Boom. When it comes to different kinds of other things, like for example, 11 Labs, Suno AI, they have I don't think music industry will survive for a very long time.
Really?
At least the music composers, your mixing artists.
Are you saying that AI is kind of replacing all of them?
100%, I don't believe music industry is here to stay for a very long time. I think IP is here to stay. Like people like Kanye West or
Yeah.
Sunidhi Chauhan, they are going to stay because they have that, special voice, and more people will come like that. But instruments were gone earlier also. All your instruments were replaced from keyboard. Now keyboard is also replaced with another kind of keyboard.
Mhm.
Okay. So now I think music, mixing, mastering, all these technical things, it's all gone. I can show, or I can make you hear rather, things that we've done on Suno AI, and it looks so real. It looks so well composed.
Yeah, that's very true. Because the quality of AI is also so good.
Yeah.
People will not be like, oh, that hair is a bit misplaced or something looks odd. They just see a person, they see the story and they'll be like, wow, that's good.
Correct. Absolutely. It's at the core of a story. For example, if I'm creating something random, it might not work.
Yeah.
लेकिन अगर मैंने कुछ थोड़ा सा भी सोच के बनाया है, थोड़ा कुछ जड़ा है, राइटिंग में हल्का सा, इसमें आई एम रियली अ लिटिल बिट पर्टिकुलर अबाउट माय कैरेक्टर्स, देन सोल बिगिंस टू कम. तो पहले क्या था, हम लोग बोलते थे कि एआई में सोल नहीं होती है. It's start to come now. we have created things जहाँ पर दिख रहा है कि wow, this is insane. Like I can feel emotion because of this.
तो ये बताइए, क्या हमारी ऑडियंस ये मान ले कि एआई क्रिएटर्स को एम्पावर करेगी या धीरे धीरे बोलते हैं ना एलिमिनेट कर देगी? बिकॉज एआई इज एवरीवेयर. सो इज इट अ टूल और इज इट अ थ्रेट?
I think AI is a tool.
Are
Okay.
you sure?
100%. So we have this company called Icons, which is our AI division in Prachand. Everybody who's using AI is a human being. Okay. And it is in our mission and vision statements that we want this technology to be human led. So AI, if nothing, has created more job opportunities. I understand that, it's doing that at the cost of replacing all the 3D animators in the world. But if the 3D animators understand, अच्छा, आपके सामने ये सारी चीजें होती हैं. अगर आप इसको देखकर समझें कि ओके, मैं एक टूल यूज कर रहा था जिसका नाम था ब्लेंडर, जिसके अंदर मुझे एक मॉडल करने में 4-5 दिन लगते थे, एक हफ्ता चला गया.
Right.
आज मैं वही मॉडल आधे घंटे में क्रिएट कर सकता हूँ. तो imagine how much money I can do. What I was doing for 3-4 days now has cut down to half an hour. How much more creatively I can express, right? So if people start seeing AI as an enabler, like we spoke about composers and music composers, one tune took them how long? Maybe 4 hours, 5 hours, a day or two, right? Today it takes you 10 minutes.
Right.
Okay. And again, it's a bouncing board, right? So you create 100 tunes and then be like, yeah, I think I like the 65th and the 62nd more. And then you use that, maybe, do a little bit manually and create something that you really love. But आपका जो labor work है ना, क्रिएटिव प्रोसेस में जो लेबर वर्क है, जो रेपिटेशन है, वो हट गया है AI से. So I think that is why it's not a threat at all, because for people who think that अरे मैं रिप्लेस वो रिप्लेस हो जाएंगे, 100% वो रिप्लेस हो जाएंगे, बिकॉज आप सोच ही रहे. लेकिन अगर आप उसको देखो कि इस चीज को पकड़ के let me think how I can learn it, because it's really easy.
Yeah.
Every single AI tool that they're creating is user friendly, and it's created for mass adoption for everybody else. It's sometimes it's more easier than using whatever that app is, M and indicator,
M.
right? So like a lot of people
Do you
use
think
that.
AI is more better?
I think that M indicator is a very hard to use app. Okay, it's not user friendly at all. But a lot of these AI apps that are coming, they're much easier to use than M indicator or various other government apps, especially.
Okay, I think you should listen. You should change an indicator.
Yeah. So it's there for mass adoption. Everybody can touch it and learn. We just have to have the willingness. The moment we think यार ये हमें replace कर देगा, इसके साथ नहीं करना चाहिए, तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
So it's work smarter and not work harder.
Yeah.
And not take it as a threat, but use it in a way that it is beneficial to yourself or your company or whatever you say.
Absolutely. It frees up my bandwidth. Okay. So for example, if there is a business that you're creating, okay, and you're slogging to create that business manually, okay, अब आपको पता है एक business में 5-6 पार्ट होते हैं. एक तो सप्लायर देखो, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग देखो, प्रोडक्ट देखो, प्रोडक्ट के डिजाइन देखो, उसकी मार्केटिंग देखो, और उसके बाद शिपिंग देखो, लॉजिस्टिक्स देखो, all of this is there, right?
Absolutely.
So that's a lot of things to
Yeah.
do for one person. But every single business starts with one person.
Correct.
Okay. Today, at least you can build tools that can allow you to maybe free up your time with logistics and shipping. Okay. So okay, one thing is taken care of there. Okay. अब मैं फोकस कर सकती हूँ जो मुझे पसंद है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू स्टार्ट योर बिजनेस बिकॉज यू कैन क्रिएट ग्रेट प्रोडक्ट्स. ओके, तो मोर ऑफ योर टाइम कैन गो टुवर्ड्स ग्रेट प्रोडक्ट एंड नॉट एज मच सेलिंग देम. इफ यू थिंक दैट यू आर समबडी हु कैन सेल एनीथिंग, then more of your time can go how you're pitching these things, through marketing, etc. While everything else can become automated. Okay,
Right.
maybe your product is outsourced, I don't know. So it frees up your bandwidth to do a lot more of what you love. So that's good for us.
Entertainment industry ने वक्त के साथ बहुत तरक्की की है.
Right.
चाहे आप बोलो सिनेमा, टेलीविजन ब्रॉडकास्ट और डिजिटल OTTs etc. And now we see micro dramas, verticals. And Gen Z को लेके what do you think? Is it just a trend या इसका आप क्या फ्यूचर देखते हो?
So very interesting. Kuku, if you know, Kuku is the leader in microdrama distribution.
Absolutely.
They are creating 100 series per day. Okay, probably more. They have all of these, major metro cities covered, and they're shooting in bulk.
Yes.
Nobody has come as close to, in production, pure aggressiveness as close to as Kuku has come in the last few months.
Right.
Months I'm talking about, right?
Months. Yeah.
All the shows that they have been making up tak, they're all either inspired from China.
Yeah.
CEO was a billionaire, or my assistant is whatever.
Yeah.
Okay. And that's it. That's what they've been working on. Basically rags to riches stories.
Yeah.
That is what they've been focusing on a lot.
Even I think Korean dramas.
Exactly.
What's wrong with Secretary Kim?
Absolutely, right? So this is one of the more famous Korean dramas
Yeah.
that you've said. But Korean dramas are also a lot more. Okay,
Yeah.
in Korea there are shows about just zombie apocalypse also.
Right.
That are in vertical. Plus basketball, sports. A lot of things are there. But here we somehow decided only to focus on rags to riches stories. Okay. Now there is a bank of content that looks the same.
Yeah, that's very true.
And it's not the same thing with Kuku. I mean, people are watching it because, of course, you can watch one story. But slowly that sluggishness will begin coming. Okay, not everybody will continue to watch the same thing over and over again.
Yeah.
If Amazon and Netflix, they are thinking so innovatively about content every single day, then how come microdrama people are not?
Right.
That trend has started to shift. A lot of what these bigger platforms have created, they've realized that it might not work a lot in future. Because हमारी जो target audience है वो है Gen Z,
Correct.
right? And today we get specific briefs saying that we want high quality content in Gen Z and not a सास बहू serial.
Right.
Okay, so that is where it has come to कि हमें बहुत अच्छा content चाहिए जो young लोग देखें. सास बहू नहीं चाहिए किसी भी तरीके का.
So what do you think? What kind of content does like Gen Z want or want to watch or is interested in?
सबसे पहली बात, Gen Z content can be created by Gen Z people. That is, you cannot argue on that, right? क्योंकि कई कई बार I have also gone for a lot of platform meetings and they are tired with uncles. Okay, they are tired कि भाई इनको मैं क्या बोलूं.
us moment.
Yeah, so they're saying कि वो तो बस वही कहते हैं कि हम तो कर लेंगे. उनका कोई भी जवाब होगा अच्छा ये क्या करना है ऐसे क्या, वो तो कहते हैं बस हम कर लेंगे.
And I think they are not wrong because they say they have an experience of so many years कि हम इतने साल से करते आ रहे हैं,
Right.
आपको क्या पता है.
Right.
But at the same time, they need to understand the content you're creating for us
Yeah.
should be by us, for us,
Yeah.
and
Absolutely.
from our vision.
Correct.
And it's a bit difficult to make them understand, and for them to learn at that age is questionable. I think.
I agree with you, of course. The thing is that there is a difference between experience and technical know-how also. Okay, so a lot of these people are dependent on other people's know-how.
Right.
Okay, especially your EPs, LPs and that whole chain.
Hmm.
They're dependent on ओ मेरे DOP को तो समझ में आ जाएगा, मैं बस आ जाऊंगा सेट पर और मेरा DOP देख लेगा.
हाँ.
DOP is dependent on their attendance. Okay, and उनको लग रहा है कि वो settings कर लेंगे और वहां पर हमारा sort हो जाएगा,
हाँ.
right? So a lot of this chain is dependent on a lot of different kind. However, this is not the case in Hollywood.
Right.
In Hollywood, the person who knows how to handle a mic also can set up the camera, can set up the light, knows what a NAND light is, what an RGB is, इसको कैसे क्या change करना है, उनको सब पता होता है, right? And they can also sit on the edit table if need be. That is why a lot of Hollywood directors like to edit their own films because
They
they
multitask.
they just know.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the trend that we have sort of pushed in with Prachand. Okay, wherein the technical know-how is really strong.
Right.
So everybody wants Lakshmi, we want money, Lakshmi, right? But they forget Saraswati,
True.
which is knowledge. Saraswati has to come first always. You have to know what you're doing. And then all your Lakshmis will come. Okay?
Money will follow.
Money will definitely follow. So that's what we've tried to do. With this micro drama thing, so many people are doing so many things. Now the real brief is that Gen Z content check. And I think Gen Z people want to watch great things. They want to watch entertainment. Okay, if they didn't want to watch entertainment, why did Dhurandhar or Pushpa to become a hit?
Right.
We want to see explosive, crazy content, things that we've never seen. I think the best line that can cover any kind of content anybody wants to do is, "Can you show me something that I've never seen before?" That is it. I think that wraps up what Gen Z wants to watch today.
Right. बॉलीवुड या कंटेंट इंडस्ट्री में सक्सेस ज्यादा टैलेंट से आता है या कनेक्शन से? आई नो डिप्लोमेटिक आंसर हूं, बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट अबाउट इट.
Sure. Okay. Do you know Shah Rukh Khan?
यस.
Okay. Can you talk to him today?
Like me as a person,
Yeah. Like, can you text him hi and he'll reply?
he'll not reply, but I can text him. That's
But you have his number.
no, like I can DM him.
You can, okay, not DM.
Okay.
Like, sort his number and like make sure that you get that hi today.
I don't think so.
Yeah. But I think it's possible. I think that a lot of us are
If
saying,
you have connections, then it's possible.
there's no such thing as if you have connections. The thing is that I have connections. I have my friends, okay, and I could probably call one person, and then second person, and then third person, and then fourth person.
Yeah.
And if I really decide that I want to text Shah Rukh Khan today or Amir Khan today, I will make sure I will make it happen.
Right.
ओके मतलब मेरा नंबर मिल गया, मेरा टेक्स्ट तो चला जाएगा, बट मुझे सुबह से लेकर रात तक ये कोशिश करनी पड़ेगी मुझे वो किसी तरीके से मिल जाए.
Right.
Okay, I think that connections happen. Connections, more than connections, I think relationships happen.
Okay.
Okay, I know somebody that can help me this way.
Right.
You have to know that कोई किसी के लिए ऐसे फ्री में कुछ नहीं कर देता है, ठीक है? Even if you're, if you're related, it's of course a different thing. Even your relatives push you only a little bit.
You need to have a bond with them.
Yeah, have a
An
bond.
understanding and something outside of work also. Not in the wrong way, I'm saying
Yeah.
a good friendship or a reason कि मैं तुमको help क्यों करूँ.
Exactly. So and plus you need to be valuable yourself.
Right.
That is where your talent comes.
But someday you will also be helpful to that person.
Absolutely correct. So I will say that, of course, one thing is that always invest in yourself, invest in whatever you're doing. You learn a little bit more, do whatever is possible to learn. And then when it comes to making leaps, so for example, if you look at my contact list a year back, I had so many less contacts. It was like I was falling free through in this entire place where I did not know what to do, right?
And where does talent come in this?
I think without talent, everybody is useless. If there is no talent, then I think if you want to become a singer, make sure you're a good singer. If you want to become an actor, make sure you're a good actor. You've done theater before. You are at least trying to do that. Like a lot of actors I know of don't even send their profiles. Okay, they don't even go audition so much. And what I've realized is acting more than anything is a outreach job. If it's about क्या ये casting director मुझे याद रख पाया है. And I hear this from a lot of casting directors where कोई भी आदमी उनको कभी भी कुछ भी भेज देता है.
हाँ.
You know, कोई भी अपनी picture भेज देगा. You know, a lot of these old uncles will click a selfie and then just send it to a casting director that sir, and sir spelling is ऐसे यार, not ऐसा. Okay, sir, मैं acting करता हूँ, मुझे काम दो. ठीक है, इस तरीके से होता है. I think that is still better outreach than somebody who's just hoping that मेरे talent से कुछ हो जाएगा. Okay, because a lot of people that we watch today are not that good looking also, but they're in the mainstream. और good looking तो हो जाता है फिर. A lot.
साथ तो गुड लुकिंग हो ही जाएगा ना.
हाँ, correct. मतलब धीरे धीरे करके मतलब good looking in मतलब in terms of on set. You know,
Right.
there is makeup. There's of course the top actors of the world have whole VFX division sitting behind
Right.
to make sure that they look great. Not that they won't look great anyway, but just to make sure that they look really great.
They look the best.
Yeah.
But then at the same time, do you think that a person who is talented,
Hmm.
extremely talented,
Yeah.
but does not have that many connections, and then there's a person who is okayish talented but has a lot of connections,
Hmm.
so who might succeed more?
I think the person with okay talent has more chance because उनका outreach और sales strong है.
Right.
I think sales and outreach are two skills that everybody must learn. Okay, and ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता कि अरे ये नहीं हो रहा है तो ये नहीं हो रहा है. ये नहीं हो रहा है इसका कोई reason है. We need to look what the reason is. Okay, we just don't need to. अच्छा हर चीज में you know younger generation is one step away from depression. If something is not happening, why is it not happening? What is the reason behind it? Okay, let's just come and study the reasons first. Instead of saying कि मैं ही इसलिए नहीं हो रहा है या उनकी वजह से नहीं हो रहा है क्योंकि वो पागल है.
Maybe there's something you can change or
There is,
make it better.
yeah, there's definitely something that you can learn and do better. Okay, for example, the most let's say really good looking girl is probably texting people कि मुझे कोई acting में काम है. She thinks that it's because of her she's not getting the role. Okay, but say that she texts 50 people, 100 people per day on basis कि मैं इतने सारे लोगों को reach out करूँगी. I'm sure there's a role somewhere written. Because I recently saw a micro drama where it was about, a healthy girl. And she was the lead actor in that.
Hmm.
Correct? And then 6 other platforms tried to make that, same show.
Right.
So there is no limits because I think we need to understand that what I'm finding is also finding me.
That's a very deep thing you said.
Yeah, what I'm finding is also that belief that जो मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ वो मुझे भी ढूंढ रहा है, वही उससे ही सारा काम आपका हो रहा है. So I think ओकेश है, उनका चांस ज्यादा इसलिए because sales and outreach is everything. बहुत ज्यादा talented है but not doing enough sales. I think nothing will happen.
But what if they're trying very, very hard? Still.
What
They're
is
not-
very hard?
They're trying their best, okay? But they're going for castings, they're doing everything. But there's this person जिसने उसके through किसी और के through and he got the role, even though the other guy was more talented.
Correct.
Then what?
Then
But isn't it very long?
Then what? You try to create your own situation where somebody else was trying to get selected and you got selected. Then you be like, I don't know. So life will happen like that, and there's always people that you can see race ahead of you.
Okay.
But then probably just choose another race. Maybe not that particular film, but another film or another something. Because maybe what you're doing, they are jealous of.
So talent or connection? What's the last conclusion?
Connections, I think if I have to choose, I think both of them are really important.
Not
I'm not trying to be,
Not
I'm not trying to be
diplomatic.
diplomatic, but connections because sales and outreach really matters, and both of these skills are learnable.
तो आप आपकी फिल्म मेकिंग की जर्नी में फेवरेटिज्म, नेपोटिज्म या सबसे बड़ा कास्टिंग काउच को कैसे देखते हो?
ये सब अलग अलग तरीके के इमोशंस हैं. कास्टिंग का उसको एक मिनट साइड में रखते हैं, ठीक है, लेकिन फेवरेटिज्म या नेपोटिज्म, ओके, ये दोनों चीजें हजारों करोड़ों सालों से आ रही हैं. जहाँ पर अगर किसी का कोई पापा की कोई काम कर रहा है तो वो चाहता है वो मेरे से बेहतर बेटा उस काम के अंदर करे. बेटा चाहता है कि वो ना करे वो वाला काम और वो कुछ और करे. ओके, और फिर बाद में जब उसका बेटा होता है तब वो चाहता है कि वो मेरा काम करे, बट उसका बेटा बोलता है कि मैं नहीं करूँगा. एंड समटाइम्स थोड़ा सा एडजेसेंट करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी हो जाती है. जैसे जैसे हम आगे बढ़ते हैं बहुत सारी नई तरीके का करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज आती है, राइट. बट जो जिस तरीके की पेयर फॉर पेरेंट्स इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट दैट देयर kid is settled.
Right.
Okay. So this is one way of securing their child's future. Because उन्होंने उस चीज को 40 साल दिए हुए हैं या 50 साल दिए हुए हैं, वो ऑलरेडी उस चीज में आ गए, तो वो चाहते हैं भाई, फॉर एग्जाम्पल नेपोटिज्म हम लोग फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में इतना ज्यादा बोलते हैं, बट एक्चुअली एग्जिस्ट मोर इन द स्टील मिल्स ऑफ रायपुर, और द जो आपका राइस का काम होता है, जो आपके फैमिली लेड बिजनेसेस होता है,
Right.
आज डिग्री है लिटरली फैमिली बिजनेस को कैसे चलाना है,
Yes.
तो ये चीज यहाँ की नहीं है, ये बहुत पुरानी है.
So do you think that Bollywood बदनाम हुआ है nepotism से?
हाँ, बिकॉज बॉलीवुड जबरदस्ती बदनाम हुआ है. आई थिंक इट्स देयर इज नो पॉइंट टू इट. ये होगा और आगे भी होता रहेगा, और इसको जितना आप रोकने की कोशिश करोगे और होगा. बिकॉज अच्छा, कोई एक नया एक्टर नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी जैसा कहीं से ना आके कहीं कुछ बन जाए,
Right.
लेकिन फिर तो अपने बेटे बेटी को ही लॉन्च करेगा वहां पर, फिर वो भी नेपोटिज्म में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा आगे जाके.
Point.
तो चाहे आप कुछ भी कर लो,
Hmm.
like I pray and wish that you also become a really big actress. Okay, but once you're there,
Right.
wouldn't you want your daughter or son to also do well in the same industry if they want to be a part
If
of it?
they want to be, if they want to be a part of it, as a parent, I'll do my best what I can.
Exactly. So nepotism in this way, I think that of course, it's stupidity to continuously ban it.
But when they're not good at it,
Okay.
or when they don't want to do it, and they still do it because parents कर रहे हैं, force कर रहे हैं, या करना पड़ेगा.
Force नहीं करना चाहिए. I think if they really want to do it, then for sure. But forcing of any kind of career opportunity should not be there. If I want to do something, I will do it. If I don't want to do something, let's figure out some other way should be the strategy.
Yeah, एक expectation होता है ना कि if you say Amitabh Bachchan,
Yeah,
he is a great actor, he's like the actor.
correct.
But at the same time, Abhishek Bachchan maybe he was not that good at acting, and people kept on comparing him, and like that was not his space, even though how hard he tried.
Yeah.
So maybe they can choose better things when they're not good at it. When they're good at it, I think that's
I think Abhishek Bachchan is a phenomenal actor. I think,
earlier.
of course, but also you have to we try to keep things on one straight tangent. The kind of films that Amitabh Bachchan did at that time were very rooted in those industrial, films where he would usually do a common man role.
Right.
Okay, Abhishek Bachchan doesn't get those kind of roles, but then he started to have a little bit more fun roles, which is
Right.
in Houseful, etc., which
Yeah,
is
his fun was
completely
very nice.
it's fun. All of
Even
this is
Happy New Year. Oh my god, love him in
absolutely.
that.
So for Abhishek Bachchan, his arc has a whole different point. For Amitabh Bachchan, his arc has a whole different point.
But people keep comparing.
For no reason. I think it's unnecessary. And that's the part with nepotism. Favoritism is, of course, it exists and it will happen that one producer will like an actor a little more, a director will want a particular actor a little more and then push them for most of the films, which is normal and it will again continue to happen. Casting couch is something that is extremely negative, and this is all the nepotism, favoritism energy must be put on abolishing casting couch 100%. Because I think वो नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर कोई भी कुछ करना चाह रहा है, but उनको ये डर है कि वहां पर मैं जाऊंगी और मेरा casting couch हो जाएगा, तो that's the worst kind of fear. And I don't think that should exist.
I think it's equally there for girls and guys.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Because the industry is pretty flexible. Not everybody is straight. And I have heard horrible stories of guys going through the same
Exactly.
as girls.
Because casting couch is criminal.
Yeah.
The other two, of course. But this is 100% criminal. And it's really close to being criminal. So I think that should be abolished.
Why do you think this happens?
I think people who do not know how to express themselves properly or have not expressed themselves for a very long time end up having a lot of feelings and negative feelings that they suppress. Okay. And then it takes this shape.
So I think one last question. 5 years from now, where do we see Arun?
अगर हम past को देखें तो of course there are a lot of businesses, right? And Prachand is by far is something that I want to do till the end of my life. Okay, Prachand Entertainment and building this media ecosystem. Now, whether that means I need to get into games or a little bit more AI or whatever it is, right?
Right.
We are here ready to pivot.
Mm.
Okay. As long as I am here, I'm going to be able to make sure that Prachand is built into a very, very valuable company.
Right.
Currently, we're at about 18 to 20 crores of valuation. And I want to make sure that by the end of this year, I'm at least 50 crores. In the next 5 years, I'm looking at at least 500 crore. This was my dream. When I started Prachand.
Yes.
I think in India ecosystem, the 500 crore number is slightly difficult to achieve.
Right.
But if you have various kinds of IPs and AI, you're doing more tech is doing. If I get into building my own set of say lights, which
Right.
I really think about, I think it's possible to do even 1,000 crores, right?
Mhm.
And that is what my focus is going to be. Uh, Genuine, good content.
आज की जो Gen Z है, बहुत लोग very random and they are so confused. So what is something you would like a message you would like to give them that can guide them into becoming successful or be like making them aware?
I think the first thing that we must start with is दुनिया आपके इर्द गिर्द नहीं घूमती है.
Very
Okay.
self-centered, you're saying people are.
Yeah, the world doesn't revolve around you.
Correct.
Okay. You are really, really, really little in the grand scheme of things. Okay. If you see ant की जो line जाती है, you're just that much for the universe. Okay. But you think I'm so big, and it matters what I do. I think it's a joke. I think it doesn't matter what I do. What I'm doing is great, but 1,000 other people are doing what I'm doing.
Right.
And it's okay to be grounded and it's okay to be normal.
Mhm.
Because if you look into in the grand scheme of things, the sun right now, जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं बहुत बड़ा, it's probably so much bigger than the earth.
Correct.
There are crore suns like that in the universe, and the universe is expanding more speed, than probably one sun per second type of
Yeah.
speed.
At
Infinite.
light years.
Yeah, it's that fast. And we are just a revolving planet, और उसके अंदर 9 planets के अंदर एक planet छोटा सा Earth जो कुछ भी नहीं है. We are the second, of course Pluto is smaller than us, but it's not really classified as a planet. Then in that we have one country called India, उसमें small Mumbai.
And such a big population.
Yeah, and in that one person in Andheri West is thinking, if I do this, the world will change. Correct? At one point, it's a good thing, but at other points, I think we take life too seriously. I assure you that anything that I've ever built in my life, I've done so jokingly and non-seriously.
Right.
If you take it as a joke, कि हाँ हो गया नहीं हुआ, once you stop taking yourself so seriously, life begins to really unfold. You understand that, okay, I trust my God, I trust the universe, whatever is happening will happen, and let me do my best. Krishna कहता है कि कर्म करो फल की चिंता मत करो, right?
Right.
And he also says indecision is the worst of all crimes, which means that if you are in a situation which is what you said confused, if you're in a situation where you have two choices, not making a decision is the worst crime.
Right.
Make a decision,
Even if it's wrong, it's okay.
even if it's wrong, and we don't know what right and wrong is anyway.
Correct.
Maybe a lot of people did something thinking that it's wrong, but it ended up becoming right later on.
Correct.
A lot of businesses planned that looked bullshit on paper became very big companies later on. So you can't really second guess or guess what's right and whatever is predictable. You just need to have one thing. Just keep going. No matter what somebody says, I need to believe in something so much that I keep going. That's it.
Right. So that's a wrap. Ali, thank you so much for being raw, real and ridiculously inspiring.
Thank you so much for having me.
तो दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये रिलेटेबल लगा हो तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और उनको भेजिए जो बोलते हैं समडे एंड समडे इज टुडे. मैं हूँ साक्षी और ये है अनम्यूट माइंड. आप हमारे साथ बने रहिए इस चैनल पे जेन ज़ी न्यूज़. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.